Jungle laughter. Deeper they venture. As familiar landmarks fade, a creeping unease shadows their adventure. The trees seeming to close in around them. The once inviting jungle now whispers secrets. The air thick with unseen dangers as the light fades, turning the vibrant green into a haunting tableau. Lost in the twilight-veiled jungle, Tom and Lily cling to each other as eerie shadows dance around them, amplifying their mounting fear. From the inky depths, a pair of luminous eyes pierces the darkness, igniting a spark of terror and curiosity in their hearts. With a silent swoop, a wise old owl descends from above, its presence both startling and strangely comforting amidst the jungle's symphony of fear. In the stillness, the owl's voice cuts through the night, offering a glimpse of hope amidst the despair. Are you lost? The owl proposes. I can help you, but you must trust the jungle, a promise of guidance and a challenge to surrender to the unknown. Guided by the wise owl, Tom and Lily discover Bobo, a gentle giant of an elephant, in a sun-drenched jungle clearing. Bobo kneels in a display of gentle invitation, offering the children a thrilling ride on his broad back, promising adventure and discovery. Embarking on their journey, Bobo's calm presence and gentle nudges fill the children with confidence as the owl soars above, charting their course through the winding jungle paths. After a harrowing journey, the jungle's edge reveals a distant village bathed in the ethereal glow of the setting sun. Tom and Lily, released from their burden, exchange glances filled with profound relief and heartfelt gratitude. As Owl softly states, "Your home," the children turn to wave goodbye, their hearts forever bound to the kindness of the jungle.